day number 3 here at the hay barn, and I've been trying to get some measurements for these longer pieces, and the wind is working against me, but trying to get it. I've got my first piece measured, fixing to get it cut, and I think I have 3 to go, maybe 4 to go. So hopefully I can get these knocked out, at least a few more knocked out before I run out of time today.
I've been looking for real country on the ham radio, but it's quiet, so quiet. Every kind of disaster is swept through this state. Some are natural, some are man-made. If I could look in your eyes, I could get some relief. But you're sleeping. You're sleeping.
Alright, I'm just going to have to get real creative and figure out how to hold this and then get to the other side. Oh, figure something out. The art of working by yourself. Figure it out. I need another hand. Hold that. Pooty poo. This is like wrestling a squid. But just don't give up. Just don't give up. Okay. I think that'll work. I just got to get my screw again. Since I dropped it, I don't have any in my pocket. Wind is wild.
Just for me, not just for me. And I feel like the next wave is meant just for me. I'll be taking that slowly.
Alright, that's it for day number 3. This wind is kicking tail. It's been like wrestling an octopus all day, and I can't balance anything. The wind just blows everything down. I was able to get 2 more pieces up, so that's better than nothing. Hopefully when I make it back, the wind will have died down and give me a little bit of help, for goodness sakes. So we'll see you on the next day of this. Alright guys, day 4, back out here at the hay barn, and I've got just a few more pieces to put up. It's been a little slow going. I hate it's taking this long to get all this done, but it's just a lot of up and down the ladder and measuring and remeasuring, and you know, there's just the challenges of working by yourself, but it's okay. We've been slow but steady, and that's all that matters. And I got 2 more pieces. I got those 2 horizontal pieces I'm gonna repurpose. We had those up there just to have something to prop our ladders on, and I'm gonna repurpose those as brace pieces. So get those traced and cut and reinstalled, and one more little short piece to put on the end, and we should be getting ready for metal. Alright, so we got to get this piece not secured, leveled up, traced, and then I can cut it. Kind of back and forth. I've been back and forth on this truss like a harmonica. Now I gotta move down again. Get this undone, leveled up, traced. Hopefully I can do it all in one swoop and don't have to move my ladder again. But that's the way it's been this whole project. Do a little something, move to another end, come back. You know, the usual working by yourself shuffle. Okay. I knew this wasn't going to be easy, and it was going to be time consuming, and that's okay. Oh, why won't that come out? I love that. And then you got stuff like that. Here, the screw just will not back out. Come on, man. Cut me some slack. Okay. Okay. I can get this trace. I got me some pants with some pockets today. Man, I mean, doing stuff the hard way for so many days. I'm just one of those people. I've accepted that life is hard, so I just don't anticipate it being any different. But then I'm like, there's got to be an easier way to handle some of this stuff. It's a gift. Do it the hard way for as long as you can. Alright, that is it. I just got the last piece put in and I could not be happier. I am so glad that part of this project is over. I'm going to do a little bit of measuring, see just how much of this truss the metal's going to cover so I can decide how much trim I'm going to need. And boy, I'm glad to be moving on from that. That was a little hairy at times, and this wind has not helped, but it's over with now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And so we'll keep on with this project, be renting a lift next, make this thing a whole lot easier, and metal will be going up soon. So I'll catch y'all on the next go.